Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin crashed through critical support levels, hitting $58,000 on June 25th before recovering slightly. Markets faced intense selling pressure while regulatory developments added uncertainty. Bitcoin currently trades at $59,214, down over 20% for the month. The cryptocurrency touched its lowest level in 21 months amid a brutal sell-off that wiped out more than $1 billion in leveraged positions within 24 hours. The crash was triggered by hotter-than-expected US inflation data released on June 25th. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Index showed headline inflation at 4.1% annually and core PCE at 3.4%, both above forecasts. Within 27 minutes of market open, the Nasdaq fell 1,000 points. Bitcoin's 85% correlation with equities meant the crypto market followed immediately. MicroStrategy faces mounting pressure as its stock and preferred shares hit new lows. The company holds approximately 847,000 Bitcoin at an average purchase price near $75,600, putting it over $13 billion underwater. MicroStrategy's perpetual preferred stock has collapsed to $73, 27% below its $100 par value. Institutional demand is weakening. US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $469 million in outflows on June 25th, continuing 7 consecutive weeks of net redemptions totaling over $6 billion. Legislative action on crypto regulation remains stalled. Senator Cynthia Lummis announced negotiators expect final Senate compromise text on the Clarity Act around July 4th. However, Senate Majority Leader John Thune has not scheduled floor time, and Republicans need at least 7 Democratic votes to reach the 60-vote threshold. President Trump refused to sign a housing bill that would have banned Federal Reserve issuance of central bank digital currencies until December 31, 2030. Despite the measure passing with veto-proof majorities, Trump cancelled the signing ceremony and conditioned his signature on Congress passing the separate Save America Act voting legislation. Binance withdrew its markets in crypto assets license application in Greece on June 24th and notified EU users it will suspend services after failing to secure authorization before the July 1st deadline. The exchange plans to reapply in France. Prediction market platform Kalshi is reportedly seeking new funding at a $40 billion valuation, nearly double its $22 billion April valuation. The platform generated $180 million in fees in June alone. Asset manager Invesco filed with the SEC on June 25th to launch the Invesco Stablecoin Reserves on-chain fund. The tokenized fund will invest in cash and short-term US Treasuries, competing with BlackRock and State Street for a market Citigroup projects could reach $4 trillion by 2030. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.